Water, we can't save our barges if anything happens there in the water. We respect the High Court order. पण लास्ट टाइम ऑर्डर दिली ते भाशेन पळोवपा जाल्ले जे लोडड कितें आहा तें हाली करपाचें आनी दवरपाचें. It was also the duty of the government to appeal to the court to discharge at least the barges which are with load, barges and trucks which are with load. Because आता मान्सून स्टार्ट जायत जाल्यार उदक भरतलें बार्जेनी, आमगे ओवरहेड्स वाडटले, बार्जेचे बार्ज लोड आहा म्हणटरी वी कॅनॉट रिमूव द क्रू फूल आहा तसो उरतलो. इट इज फायनान्शियल लॉसेस टू एवरीबडी, बार्ज ओनर्स, ट्रक ओनर्स, and how much is the losses we don't know. As it is, we are in a very bad situation. आमकां एक दोन ट्रिप मागताल्यो आनी एक ट्रिप लोड थोड्यांगे बार्ज एकू ट्रिपी गेलो एकू ट्रिप लोड जायना. ते बार्ज ओनरा सिट्युएशन कितें जातलें? How much they have to shell out when the barges will be discharged? There are pumps running on the barges, so the fuel consumption जायत आसतलें. Engines also we have to run because of battery charging. So this is only a financial loss to us, and we have not done anything wrong. We have transported the ore which DMG has given us permission. Otherwise you can check, we have the trip log sheet with us. When we are loading, the trip log sheet is open. When we are discharged and we are proceeding for loading point, the trip log sheet is closed. Otherwise we can't load our barges. The order what has come yesterday is a very bad order. The ore what we are transporting is a legal ore. We are not transporting any illegal ore. The permission has been given by DMG to transport this ore when we are loading our barges, when we are loading our trucks. Trip sheet is opened. There is a system in the government now, not like before. So जेन्ना आमी आमची बार्ज लोड करता तेन्ना आमची एक ट्रिप शीट वा लॉक शीट म्हणून ओपन जाता आनी ती बार्ज लोड जाली म्हणटकीर ती लॉक शीट क्लोज जाता. आनी जे मेरेन ती लॉक शीट क्लोज जायना ते मेरेन ती बार्ज मूव जावपाक जायना, कित्याक टील देन इट इज नॉट लीगल. वन्स वी गेट द लॉक शीट दीस आमची बार्ज सेल जाता. So now to discharge the trucks or to discharge these barges, government has closed the full system of loading and unloading. जो प्रोग्राम लोड केलेलो लास्ट टाइम जेन्ना सुप्रीम कोर्टान ऑर्डर दिन मायनिंग स्टार्ट केलेले तेन्ना एक सिस्टम गायलोली, बार्ज लोड जाते आनी हाली जाते ते आमकां ट्रिप शीट म्हूण मेळटालें आनी ते क्लोज जाल शिवाय आमच्यान दुसरी ट्रिपी लोडिंग स्टार्ट करपा जायना आसलेलें. सेम वे इट वॉज फॉर ट्रक्स. Now what we have transported is only after DMG has given us permission. It is not that DMG has not given permission to transport this ore. And last time पासून कोर्टान ऑर्डर दिली तेन्ना एश कोन ऑर्डर दिलोली की ज्यो बोट्यो येयलो आहाय त्यो बोट कंप्लीट करून मायनिंग बंद करचें. आतां ज्यो बार्ज लोड जालो आहाय त्यो बार्ज तेश्यो धरून स्टेटस को दिलो आहा आतां, म्हणजे बार्ज हुंय DMG has not given permission to transport this ore. And last time पासून कोर्टान ऑर्डर दिली तेन्ना एश कोन ऑर्डर दिलोली की ज्यो बोट्यो येयलो आहाय त्यो बोट कंप्लीट करून मायनिंग बंद करचें. आतां ज्यो बार्ज लोड जालो आहाय त्यो बार्ज तेश्यो धरून स्टेटस को दिलो आहा आतां, म्हणजे बार्ज हुंय आहाय थिंगा आसपाच्यो, हुंय लोड कोण घेवन आहाय थिंगा रावपाच्यो. इवन फॉर ट्रक्स इट इज द सेम. देर आर at around 55 to 60 barges with load, and it is a very big risk to keep the barges with load. We don't know when the court will come out with a order to discharge these barges. As it is, the weather is bad. April, May, always the weather is bad. And जेन्ना weather bad आहा तेन्ना दोन बार्जी सायडीन बायडीन आहाय जाल्यार आपटोन बुराक पडटाय. बुराक पडली जाल्यार मागीर उदक तर गेलें जाल्यार there are chances for the barge to go down. So who will take this responsibility? Who will take this responsibility? There is pressure on truck owners and barge owners also now. We are in the water. We can't save our barges if anything happens there in the water. We respect the High Court order. पण लास्ट टाइम ऑर्डर दिली ते भाशेन पळोवपा जाल्ले जे लोडड कितें आहा तें हाली करपाचें आनी दवरपाचें. It was also the duty of the government to appeal to the court to discharge at least the barges which are with load, barges and trucks which are with load.